Are you looking for a PP woven bag manufacturer in Vietnam capable of handling bulk orders? Inside this PP woven bag manufacturer Vietnam facility, production lines run continuously to support large volume orders. Woven polypropylene fabric moves from weaving to cutting and automatic sewing, keeping production flow consistent across large quantities. Finished bags are packed into export bales, prepared for container loading and international shipment. This type of operational scale is what buyers often look for when sourcing from a PP woven bag manufacturer Vietnam for bulk orders. At Huong Packaging Company Limited, manufacturing bags is only part of what we do. Our focus is to deliver reliable packaging performance for global industries. We produce PP woven bags, BOP laminated sacks, and FIBC jumbo bags, designed to protect products, support efficient logistics, and meet the expectations of international buyers. Huong Packaging is part of Huong Group, one of Vietnam's well-established private enterprises with more than 40 years of industrial development across packaging, beverages, textiles, and other manufacturing sectors. This long history reflects a commitment to consistent quality, responsible manufacturing, and long-term partnerships with global customers. Today, buyers choose Huong Packaging for several practical reasons. Our production system operates under ISO 9001-2015 and BRC Global Standard, supporting traceability, hygiene control, and stable product quality. Our bags are designed with flat packing structures, helping customers save warehouse space and improve automation efficiency. Manufacturing is handled in-house, including weaving, printing, lamination, and quality control processes. International buyers also value reliable lead times, multilingual communication, and responsive support, supported by the financial strength and export experience of Huong Group. Thank you for watching. If you are currently sourcing PP woven bags or evaluating manufacturing partners in Vietnam, we would be glad to hear from you. Please feel free to contact Huong Packaging Company Limited by email or WhatsApp. Our team will respond promptly and assist with your inquiry.